What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're going to be taking a look at a headrest pillow that you can use in your Tesla Model 3 or Model Y. So let's go ahead and open this up so we can take a look at it, and then we're going to install it. All right, so once you open this up, the first thing you're going to see is going to be your information about the product, also how to put it on your headrest. You have some filler bags if you want to make the pillow extra firm. All right, so these are going to be the headrests. You get two of them. You can use these either for the front or the back. It doesn't matter where you put these. These actually feel really nice. The leather is really soft. The pillow itself is really soft as far as the cotton filling that it gives you. It feels really good. It has some breathable material right here. So that way, you know, air can breathe. Also, it helps with the temperature as well. You have an area here where you're going to put your straps. You get two different straps. You get this thicker strap, and it has, this is going to be a little bit firmer. And then you have this thinner strap. So this way that the strap is a little bit less visible. It's not as thick as the other one. And you don't have to use both. You can just choose whichever one that you like best. Now, this is going to be made by TESBEAUTY, and this is going to be for the Model 3 and the Model Y. And also they make different sizes. So depending on your height, whether you're taller than 5'7" or you're shorter than 5'7", they make different pillows to help fit your head. So that way, depending on where your head rests on your seat, you can choose the right pillow for your size. If you do want to add more filler to this, you can. So that's what this bag is going to be. And you can make this even firmer. So let's just go ahead and put these in so you can see how comfortable they are. Putting these in is really easy. You're just going to place the strap on the hooks. Whether you want to put it on the top hook or the bottom hook is just going to be up to you. And then you're just going to wrap it around the back of the headrest there. And once you do that, you're all set to go. And like I said before, you can use this for the front or the rear, and you can see how this actually matches the interior of the car as well. It matches up really nice, so it has a nice OEM look. And also you can choose different colors. So whether you have the dark black leather or you have the white leather, you can choose which color so it matches your interior. Well, guys, this is going to be the neck pillow for your Tesla Model 3 or Model Y. Hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions, comments, you can leave them in the comment section if it's available. Other than that, I'm Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.